Hey guys, I've got some mango lemonade. I've got some raspberry lemonade.
It's okay. These chickens are afraid of the storm. There's gotta be something we can do to help the chickens. One chicken is feeling better. Hey, look! Henrietta is really calm. Let it go, Henrietta. Look at it.
Oh, yeah, we still have one.
What are we gonna do? I don't know.
Nature's more amazing than any fireworks! How much for that?
Oh, but look.
But we still have one!
What do we do now? Wait for the light. 3, 4. See it? 4, 5. 5, 6.
But we still have one chicken left! Oh, please do something!
This episode 21 has too funny about. It's too funny.